Travel is exhilarating, but for women on the move, it can quickly become overwhelming. Constantly changing cities and time zones can leave you feeling unmoored. That's why routines matter. They're your anchor, providing stability wherever you are. A routine isn't about rigidity. It's about creating habits that keep you grounded and energized. For high-achieving women, this consistency is the secret to thriving on the road. It's what lets you step off a long flight and walk into a meeting with confidence. Your routine is your toolkit. Positive habits that support your health, focus, and sense of control. With a plan for your day, you free up mental space to be present, at work, and while exploring. A well-crafted routine is self-care in action, ensuring you feel your best wherever you are. For the top 1% woman, travel isn't a disruption. It's an extension of her life. Her routine is the invisible thread that keeps her balanced, productive, and inspired. The first hour shapes your entire day, especially when traveling. Successful women start with intention, not the snooze button. Hydration comes first, a glass of water to wake up body and mind. Next, movement. A quick yoga flow, stretches, or a jog to get the blood flowing. Then, a few minutes of planning, jotting down top priorities and one thing to enjoy in the new city. This rule of three keeps her focused and prevents overwhelm. Breakfast is smart and simple. Protein and healthy fats, not sugary pastries. These rituals take less than an hour, but set the tone for a productive, energized day. It's not about perfection, but about starting strong wherever you are. A mindful morning routine is the foundation for conquering any challenge. With these habits, she's ready for anything the day brings. That's the power of a purposeful morning. Health is non-negotiable for the top 1% woman on the road. She eats mindfully, clean for 2 meals, indulging in one local treat without guilt. Healthy snacks like almonds or protein bars are always on hand. Sleep is sacred. She adjusts to local time, avoids caffeine on flights, and prioritizes rest. Movement isn't just for mornings. She walks to meetings, takes the stairs, and stays active throughout the day. Hydration is constant. A reusable water bottle is her travel essential. She sets reminders to sip water, knowing it boosts energy and focus. These small habits, balanced eating, sleep, movement, hydration, add up. They keep her energized, sharp, and resilient, no matter where she is. Wellness isn't a luxury. It's her strategy for success. That's how she stays at the top of her game. For high-achieving women, business travel is about more than work. It's about discovery. She blends productivity and exploration with skillful time blocking. Mornings are for deep work, afternoons or breaks are for local adventures. Lunch might be at a museum cafe or a stroll through a city park. Evenings are strategic, dinner meetings in vibrant neighborhoods or solo outings to concerts or classes. She sets boundaries, fully focused during work, fully present during play. This intentional balance fuels creativity and prevents burnout. Cultural experiences aren't distractions. They're what make travel memorable. She returns to work refreshed, inspired, and more effective. Work and wonder go hand in hand, making every trip meaningful. That's the secret to fulfilling successful travel. Small, consistent habits keep the traveling woman grounded. Journaling for 5 minutes, gratitude, wins, or memorable moments cultivates a positive mindset. Mindfulness matters. A few deep breaths or a short meditation calms the mind, anywhere. Organization is key. Packing cubes, a place for everything, and a quick hotel room setup create order. This external order brings internal calm. Connection is essential. A quick call home, sharing a photo, or chatting with a local keeps loneliness at bay. These rituals remind her she's never truly alone, even far from home. Consistency in these habits is her secret weapon. They help her process, recharge, and stay resilient. With these simple practices, she thrives, no matter where her journey takes her. That's how she stays centered, happy, and unstoppable.